Hello everyone. Hope you all are having a great time. My name is Sapna Sangode, Assistant Professor AISSMS, College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. I welcome you all for my today's topic on special foods, part 1. Objectives. What are the objectives of this topic? Let us understand. By the end of this session, student can learn to understand about special foods and its category. They can also come to know different types of sandwiches which is used, and they can also know more about salad and its component. Introduction. Food that is typically considered as a unique and made in small quantities from high quality ingredients which are considered other than common food is called as special foods, which include different types of sandwiches, salad, frozen food and fondue. Sandwiches. Sandwich is a popular food item which is prepared by using bread, spread and some type of filling. Now let us clearly understand what is sandwich. There are many different types of bread which can be used for making a sandwich. Another simple ingredient of a sandwich is spread like butter or cheese spread. Almost all sandwiches are served pre-plated depending on the portion in a fish plate or own platter with garnish and accompaniments. Sandwiches are broadly classified as open sandwiches and closed sandwiches. There are the two types of sandwiches which is called as open sandwich and closed sandwiches. Understand what is open sandwiches. Open sandwiches, the term refers to any type of sandwich which is made by using only a single slice of bread. The filling or the food items is placed upon it. You can see here in this picture the open sandwich where you have taken the slice of bread. On the top of that you have placed a spread and other garnishes. Here are the examples of breads which is used for open sandwiches. These are served on various breads including white bread, brown bread, focaccia which may or may not be toasted. You can see here in this picture, like here this is a picture of focaccia. This is a picture of buckwheats which is used for again for open sandwiches also we can use. Spreads. These are served on various breads. You can see the spread mayonnaise which is just applied on the slice of bread, and with that other ingredients like vegetables, fruits you can add and you can serve as a sandwiches. Let us understand about spread. The more clearly, a condiment such as mayonnaise or mayonnaise based dressing is also often included in some form, but peanut butter, honey, jam, and chocolate spread, bacon sausages, vegetables like bell peppers, tomatoes, radish, scallion, and cucumber. Now, next sandwich is closed sandwiches. Let us understand what is closed sandwiches. Two more layers of bread or baguette, tortilla, or buns with whatever filling you want between them. That's a closed sandwich because the filling is closed from both the sides. You can see here in this picture the closed sandwiches. Examples of club sandwiches. Club sandwiches, which is also called a three slices of bread or toasted sandwiches, are served warm as above, mostly in a specially designed plate. There is a very wide variety of bread uses here. Baguettes, batat, baguette, pita, English muffins, focaccia, croissant, ciabatta to a name of few. Salad. Salad is a mixture of cold foods usually including vegetables and fruits, often with dressings and sometimes with the addition of meat, fish, pasta, cheese, or whole grain. Salad is often served as an appetizer before a larger meal. Now, the three keys to ensuring a qualities of salads are: first one is the freshness of ingredients. Second one, having all the ingredients blend together in harmony. And the third very important one is making sure the salad is appealing to the eye. The four basic parts of the salads are: first one is base, second one is body, third one is garnishes, and fourth one is dressings. Now, the first one, what is the base? The base of a salad is usually a layer of salad greens that line the plate or bowl in which the salad will be served. The second is the body of the salad, which consists of the main ingredients. And the third one is garnish, enhances the appearance of the salad while also complementing the overall taste. And the fourth one is dressing. The salad dressings are either in liquid or semi liquid used to flavor salads. Two types of salad: plain salad and compound salad. Let us understand what is plain salad, which consists of two main types. This may be either green salad, made up of green leaf ingredients, or vegetable salad, which is made from one main ingredient which will dominate the overall flavor of the dish. Compound salad. What is compound salad? Which may be a plain salad plus other ingredients such as meat, fish, and mushrooms, or a combination of a number of ingredients mixed together using a dressings or sauces is called as compound salad. Salads can be used in five ways during the service courses. The first one, it can be used as a starter salad. It can be also used as an accompaniment salad. Many times in a main course also salads can be used, and it can be used as an intermezzo salad, which is also considered as a light salad to cleanse the palate between courses. And the last one is a dessert salads. Dressing. Let us understand what is exactly dressing. A dressing is usually served with all types of salad. It helps in addition of flavor, provides food value, helps in digestion, improves the palatability and appearance. Many times dressing it is available in liquid or semi-liquid form. A mixture of oil, vinegar, seasoning or eggs or cream can be added for a dressing. Vinaigrette dressing. Vinaigrette dressing in its simplest form is made of oil and vinegar. It is in lighter, thinner dressings, often used in more delicate ingredients such as green and vegetables. Compared to the suspension mixture of a regular vinaigrettes, emulsified have gone through the emulsion process, and emulsion is a mixture of ingredients that permanently stays together, unlike a suspension that eventually separates. Mayonnaise dressing. It is also known as basic cold sauce and has numerous derivatives. It is used for cold dishes, the coating of fish, meat, eggs, etc. French dressing. French dressing, the proportions of oil to vinegar is 3 is to 1. That means 3 parts of oil and 1 part of vinegar. And French mustard and seasonings is called French dressing. It is mixed together and then we can prepare French dressing. Lemon dressing. Lemon dressing, it is a blend oil and seasoning well together. Add the fresh lemon juice sparingly. The dressing should produce a bite at the back of the throat. Same as vinaigrette, it is prepared only except instead of vinegar we can add lemon juice. Acidulate cream dressing. This form dressing is mainly offered with salads containing fruits such as orange salad. This includes 3 parts thin cream and 1 part of vinegar or lemon juice mixed with salt and pepper. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any kind of query or question, please let me know. My email ID has given in first slide. Thank you. Have a great time. Find below mentioned references are given for this video.